So guys, ito na yung ating new recipe pasta. Ayan. So, napakasarap guys. Tapos na siya. Tinalo ko na lahat. Tapos, nag-iwan ako ng spare, ng konting ganito. Kasi nga, pag magsiserve tayo, lagay natin on top. So, parang medyo ang dami niyang on top, kumbaga, yung toppings niya. 'Di ba guys? 'Di ba? Oh, ganun yung aking idea. So, ayan na guys. Thank you so much. Ito na naman yung cooking ni Donna Rosa Vlog. I hope mag-enjoy naman tayo at makakuha tayo ng konting idea for our family. Ayan. So, every day is a blessing. Every day has a cooking. Every day has a vlog. Yes. Yes. Diba, guys? Ayan. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for my supporters na always na nanonood ng aking vlog. Shout out sa inyong lahat. Thank you.